So value system is your savior because they will guide you, they will stop you where it has to be stopped, and there should be a code of honor. You should be driven by some principles in life. So what are the value systems? So let us know ourselves. You have to discover the innermost layer because the value system starts from there. Once you do that, you'll have clarity in life. So value system is your savior because they will guide you, they will stop you where it has to be stopped, and there should be a code of honor. You should be driven by some principles in life. So what are the value systems? First thing is compassion and empathy. Compassion and empathy is most important. You have to feel the pain of the patient. That is when you can do the best treatment. Empathetic towards the patient. So you have to prioritize the patient care with kindness and understanding always. And this will prevent you from every medical legal case. No matter whatever is the outcome. But if you are polite and kind with the patient and talking to them in the proper time and movements, updating them from time to time and maintaining their emotional connect, you will be always saved. That is something like you have to give the emotional and physical well-being ke saath, you should be also having kindness and understanding. Then you have to have integrity and ethics. You have seen a lot of that the things go wrong. You have to have uphold honesty and confidence. Keep the professional ethics first. And you all are lifelong learners. That is why you are here. I congratulate you. So you have to be committed to continuous education and staying updated in the advances in the medical sciences as well as personal growth. Not only personal growth is sufficient, not only the medical science growth is sufficient. You get both of them. Then you have to make a team. You cannot grow alone and you cannot go to far distance alone. You have to make a team, you delegate work, collaborate with people, collaborate with other branches, and that is when your success will be truly magnified. So you have to work harmoniously with healthcare professionals to provide comprehensive patient care. That is very important. Then accountability and responsibility because the patient is putting your life, his life or her life in your hands. If you are in the OT, then he is ready to be under your knife, right? That is a big trust there which is there. You have to always be accountable and responsible. And at any point of time, you should take the ownership of clinical decisions and their outcomes. And at the same time, you have to maintain the transparency of the patients. So you have to explain it in time, whatever is the situation of the patient from time to time, and win their trust. That is very important. 5 things are very important in the ethical part, value system.